Smart or stupid, to buy a home now or to wait? Listen, both options come with some good arguments, but let's look at the basics. Some of you will say, oh, rates will go down in a few months and wait till then so you don't spend too much money. Honestly, that's the common thought. I get where you're coming from, and in some ways, you're not wrong. Rates are expected to come down next year, and lower rates mean lower mortgage payments. But there's still a small issue. You're not the only one with that plan. There are millions of people out there waiting for better rates. I guarantee you already know a few of those people. Many of these house waiters or would-be house buyers are biding their time, living with family, or extending their rental leases, all while waiting for lower rates. When rates do start to come down, they'll all see that as their sign to start home shopping. Then what will happen? There won't be near enough houses to go around, and prices will go up. Why? Simple supply and demand. As rates go down, more people will be able to find homes. This gets more shoppers and open houses on the weekends, and then they'll start making offers, and all of this just drives demand up even further. This is what's important to understand. While rates have kept many would-be buyers at bay, there's enough actual home shoppers out there that houses are still selling in under 30 days. Prices are still remaining steady and even going up in nice neighborhoods, all despite the fact that there are people waiting to buy. Scared money don't make money. In fact, there are roughly 130 million homes in the United States, but there's enough shoppers out there to support 135 million. Literally millions more shoppers than there are home sellers. It will take years to build enough homes to make up that gap. And during that time, home values are going to increase significantly more. When the rates drop and millions of home waiters finally become home shoppers, most will find themselves losing out on houses. Instead of 4 people making offers on the same home like you might see out there now, there will be 40 people making offers or more. Seriously. Don't believe me? Ask your real estate friends how many offers they would get on a home in a new neighborhood in 2021. Every house you lose a bid on is less equity building in the long run. When those buyer floodgates open, prices will rise. Those who buy now will build equity in the meantime and still be able to get a good rate via refinance once they go down. Those who wait may legitimately pay $75,000 more for the same house this time next year. Those 2 to 3% rates everyone wants back, you might as well forget about them or you'll never buy a home. Those were artificially low due to actions of the Fed and the government and have no basis in reality moving forward. You may think rates are high today, but they're not. Historically, a 7% rate is much more common and typical than a 2.5% rate. So don't totally be discouraged by the higher interest rates. If I could get a loan for a whole city block right now, I would. I'd make enough money reselling it next year to retire early. Single digit rates and appreciating property values still create genuine wealth. So consider your options, make an informed choice, and reach out if you have any questions.